we have the same time, we are running the same thing. The coach says, on your marks, let's go. You are still here. People have gone there, then you are starting. Will you ever find them? Will you ever find? Hello good people, hope you're doing well. This is your girl Betha Wino, and I'm back again with another great lesson. So if you're new here, welcome to this amazing family, and please consider joining this family. And the only way to join is by subscribing, by sharing, by liking, by commenting, and by ensuring that your bell notification is on so that you get notified every time a new video drops. If you are not new, welcome back, and I'm so grateful for your love. So on today's video, I'm talking about 9 habits of a successful woman. The women in the house, please pull your chairs and let's learn together. Yes guys, and before I start, just please forgive me. I have a cold, but I'm sure I'm going to try so that we all learn together. We get the point that I'm trying to pass across. So a successful woman does not engage in gossip. You're just busy talking about people. If you're that person, you will not be successful. Successful women, they're busy working on their business, they are busy developing themselves, they are busy thinking of big things. But if you are there, you have time to talk about other people behind their back. My friend, you are doing yourself injustice. Stop that. If you really want to get involved in somebody's affair, please reach out directly. If you talk behind the person, how are you helping that person? You are not helping that person, and the worst thing, you are not helping yourself. So for you to be a successful woman, please stop talking about people. Stop cheap gossip. If there is a saying that says great minds discuss ideas, average mind discuss events, but small minds discuss people. Do you have that small mind? Are you that small-minded talking about people? Please stop talking about people. Another habit is she gets plenty of sleep. Please, my fellow women, my fellow ladies, my dear sisters, if you deny yourself sleep, this will really cause like side effects. It will cause you depression. You will not be productive, and this also contributes to early aging, and just it has a lot of side effects. So for you to be productive, for you to be able to think straight, you really need to do yourself a big favor by ensuring you get plenty of sleep to enable you think further, to enable you come with great ideas. Okay, another habit is she wakes up early. My fellow ladies, it's very clear, it's very known, successful people in this world wakes up early. You might say, oh, I know myself, I know how to plan yourself, let me just sleep. What? Wake up early, start your day early, plan yourself. If you wake up late, you will find everything is gone. People have already, it's like a race. We have same 24 hours. We are starting a race at the same time. We have the same time, we are running the same thing. the coach says, on your marks, let's go, you are still here. People have gone there, then you are starting. Will you ever find them? Will you ever find them? So this we can compare this with normal life, where we need to wake up early to plan our day and be productive and think further and develop ourselves. Okay, another habit of a successful woman is she learns to say no. You need to understand, no is an answer on its own. It doesn't need an explanation. Do not say yes to everything because you just don't have to, because you have to. Do not be like manipulated to say yes. Do not accept any invitation if it will compromise your happiness, if it will compromise your health, if it will compromise your financial status, even your family. Please, it's okay to tell them no. And if they give you a hard time, explain to them they are your family and they have best interest, your best interest at their heart. So explain to them why you are saying no, and I'm sure they will support you, they will understand. So just don't be one person who say everything yes, yes, yes. This will really stress you out. You will end up having too much on your plate, and this way you risk burning out. So please, just understand, no is a complete statement, my fellow ladies. Are we together? Are we together there? Okay, thank you for understanding, thank you for listening. Another habit is she pays herself first. A successful woman understands that she's the first one, she's the first priority. She plans for investment, she pays her bills on time, she thinks of future, she just thinks big. She doesn't think about other people. She forgets about her future. A successful woman focuses on herself. She knows she has to plan for her future. She knows there is a bright future, and just plans herself and thinks about herself. When you get that money, you are number one before anyone else. So pay yourself first, plan yourself, and this way you'll be successful. Another habit of a successful woman is she creates time for herself. Even during weekend, even if it is free, just few minutes, you go out, maybe in the park, you just relax yourself. Forget about other people, forget about other things. Don't be too engaged in other things, in developing others. Even if you are a professional lady, do not be so much into other things. Forget yourself. Get time for yourself. Meditate on your life, align your life. Just create your time to be alone. Okay, guys. Another habit is she enjoys her hobbies. She creates she engages in hobbies that she enjoys most. You need to understand that you are an independent person. Engage in those activities, even if they are workouts that are independent from your family, your friends, your relationship, just you and you. Those hobbies that gives you joy. Guys, if you have watched this video up to this end and you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button on your left or right. It's written in red. It's free. Please click so that you don't miss on any other thing that I'm putting up, because here we learn, we be informed, and we grow. Please subscribe. Okay, back to the video. Another habit is a successful woman is kind to all the people around her. Being kind does not cost you anything. Being kind to everybody around you is the most selfless thing, and it really helps the state of your mind. So, and for you to understand, for a successful woman, she needs to understand that whatever she puts out will come back to her one day. So it's better, it's good to be kind to everyone that we interact with, to everyone that is around you. Okay, a successful woman drinks a lot of water. Guys, my fellow ladies, my fellow sisters, this is said everywhere. It's said at least every day you have to drink a minimum of 2 liters. Okay, guys, so the importance or advantages of drinking water are endless. I will just name a few, which is it will improve your health, it will improve your immune system, it helps in weight loss, it will also like just restore your skin. You'll be glowing throughout. It flushes out toxins. So drinking a lot of water really helps you, since because of the benefits of drinking water. It helps you to stay awake more, it helps you to, like, it will lengthen your period, your lifespan, and in this way you'll be able to plan for your future very well. Guys, these are the 9 habits that I'm talking about today, and I'm encouraging you, if you haven't if you are not doing these things, please do them, and I'm sure you will really see the results. Guys, if you have not watched my other videos, please, I'll link them up here, and please go watch. Please subscribe, please turn on your notification bell, please share, like and comment, and please on this video, please just comment, let me know what you think, if I've missed out on anything, if you like this kind of topics and you need me you need me to talk more about them, please just drop a comment down below, and I'll be glad, and I will do it for you guys. I'm here for you, I'm here for you. It's you that makes me who I am. We need to grow together. So guys, let's engage, drop a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what I'm missing out, tell me what you need to hear, and this way we'll grow together. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm sending my love to you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you, and bye bye.